can one wall plug actually replace your phone charger, your tablet charger, and even your laptop charger at the same time without falling apart? Well, this is the Minthouz 67W USB C charger, so let's find out. A quick disclaimer, Minthouz actually did send this out for review, but this is not sponsored and I'm completely free to say exactly what I think. So I wanted a single plug that could live in my office and handle just about everything without messing around with multiple bricks. I was constantly swapping between my MacBook charger, iPad charger, and iPhone charger, and it was honestly doing my head in. This is meant to replace all three. So this is a 67W GaN charger with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. It's designed to fast charge laptops, tablets, and phones from a single wall plug. But what does GaN or GaN actually mean? Well, GaN stands for gallium nitride, and all that really means for you is that it can push more power in a smaller space with less wasted heat. This is why chargers like this one can be compact, but still powerful enough to charge a full laptop properly. Other chargers, like this one, needed to be much bigger to do exactly the same job. So for this, the build quality feels really solid. It has a matte black finish and feels dense without feeling too heavy. The ports feel snug, nothing feels loose, and everything lines up properly. One thing I would have liked though is a foldable or removable plug like you do get on some travel chargers, just like this one here from Apple, or even this one here from Apple again, where you can take it off. Just makes it a little bit more portable for travel. So the top 2 USB-C ports will deliver the full 67 watts if used on their own, which is perfect for something like the MacBook Air. The USB-A port, of course, is there then for older cables and accessories. A really nice surprise for me was the included cable. Now, the connectors are of course metal, like you would expect, but the part that actually touches your phone or the device itself is also metal, which is something you barely ever see on any included cables. In real use, everything charges exactly how you'd hope. My MacBook charges properly, my iPhone fast charges, and my iPad doesn't struggle for power either. So on its own, the main USB-C port will give you the full 67 watts. If you decide to use both USB-C ports together, the power splits to 45 watts and 20 watts. And if you use all 3 ports at once, the main USB-C runs at 45 watts and the other 2 do drop down to 15 watts each. Still, very much enough to charge a laptop, tablet, and phone all at the same time without it falling apart. However, that top USB-C port is always the one you want to be using to get the maximum power. So the performance for me has been as expected and exactly what I wanted. It does get slightly warm and so do the ports, but nothing outside of what you'd expect from a wall charger that's pushing this kind of power. It's honestly felt stable the whole time with one device or even up to 3 plugged in at the same time. And the biggest surprise to me was honestly this cable. It just feels premium in a way that most bundle cables that you just get with all your devices just don't. That alone makes the whole thing feel like much better value. As I mentioned earlier, I would have loved to have seen a sort of collapsible plug design so that you can actually fold it down for travel to make it even more portable. And at £24.99, there are definitely cheaper chargers out there, but a lot of them either overpromise on wattage or fall apart once you plug multiple things in. So this charger from Minthouz does exactly what it claims. It charges everything properly, it handles multiple devices without weird drop-offs, and honestly feels really well built. If you want one charger to handle your phone, tablet, and laptop at the same time, then this is a very safe buy. So this was a Minthouz 67W charger. If you did enjoy this video, of course, make sure to leave a like rating. If it's helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our future tech content as well. Make sure to check out this video on the screen right here as well for more information about the Minthouz 67W adapter. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.